Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we will show you how to change and add values in choice, list, and lookup fields in a contact form. In iGlobe CRM, configurable lists and choice fields on a contact are managed in two areas within the administration. The first one refers to the drop-down lists categorized under the tab Field, while the second one refers to managing lookup values in lists under the Keyword tab. Let's start with the field first. Go to the administration. Click on Field and open the contact settings. Make sure that the fields are sorted alphabetically and that you can see the tabs on the contact form. Click on Advanced Settings and select Yes to allow management of content types. You will now see all available fields sorted alphabetically. You will also see a list of content types, which are equivalent to the tabs on the contact form. Each contact is characterized by tabs, which are the columns, and fields, which are the rows. For example, we can see field name, field type, and tab name. In order to manage the drop-down list in the Basic tab, click on the content type Basic. You can choose the field you want to change. You can edit the columns with the label Choice. They have a drop-down menu with the list of choices you can choose. You can easily type in new values. Each value is separated by a new line. Once you click on OK, refresh your browser to see the updates. You should now be able to see the new values in the drop-down lists. In order to manage the values in the marketing bar, you need to go to the administration. Click on Field and then on Contact. Then scroll down to the Content Types and click on Marketing. Here you can apply different values in the checkbox fields, which can be found in the marketing bar. For example, interests. This function works in other choice columns. Now let's have a look at keyword. When multiple fields on different forms in iGlobe CRM are using the same values, we are using keywords. In the contact field list, you will see these fields named as lookup fields. These fields are configured in the keyword section. On the contact form, the fields job title, mail list, and responsibility are keyword fields. Let's try editing the responsibility field that appears in the Basic tab. Enter iGlobe CRM administration. Choose Keyword and then Responsibility. Here you will see the options that are currently available, and you can easily edit or add new items. When you enter a new value, make sure to enter the exact same value in both iGlobe title and responsibility. When you are done, make sure to save your changes and refresh your browser. Your new value is now visible in the drop-down list. You can manage the mail list from the Marketing tab by following the same procedure. Just go to Admin, then Keyword, and select Contact Mail List. Then, choose New Item if you want to add a new item, or edit this list to change current items. Once you are done, click on Save and refresh the page. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!